Hello everyone, this is Naina and here I am going to give review on Einstein books that I ordered for my 1 year and 6 month daughter. So basically I ordered this box for 1 year old and I ordered this from Amazon and I received this box just few days back, but somehow I kept this outside for few days and after applying some sanitizer and all, so finally I think it's safe to open now. So let's see one by one what are the products that we received inside this box. So yeah, the first one is a learning program card where they have given the subscription plan about all the 6 month Einstein box. So basically for 1 year old they will give you two books and three activities. So as a trial I just ordered the single box, not yet subscribed. So let's see one by one if my daughter will really able to enjoy this or not. Then we received big tank card with replacement guarantee and the Hello Parent guideline. So in this booklet they have given this importance of each activities, how this is importance for your children's. Okay, so let's jump into the activities now. So the first of all, I received my first book of animals and We All Love You. So basically my daughter really enjoy all kind of books. She have huge collection of all kind of books. I will make a separate video on her book library. So first let's talk about this my first book of animal. So in this you can see is a set of 14 different animals, and the plus point is they have given the real images of these animals where your child can relate how exactly they are looking in their surroundings. And also the things that I liked most is they have given their baby animals as well. So of course, being 1 year old child, it's very easy and it's very much interesting to see how the animal babies are look like and how they sounds. For example, the pig says oink. So in these ways it's very interactive session of book. And the second is We All Love You. So this is the book that I was looking for because it will not get on any other sites. So basically it's good to introduce some new words, like familiar words like mama, papa, hi, bye and all. So in this you can see, for example, Papa loves you, and they have given some blank spaces over here where you have to call your children's name. For example, Papa loves you, Ovi. So here your child will definitely relate, okay, they called my name. So they will definitely create some interest in this book. And also in another side of page, they have given some activities with their feelings. For example, when you are well, it's yippee, and when you are unwell, it's achoo. So kind wise we can relate the emotions with these books and images. And the next we receive the three different set of activities in separate pouch. So let's open one by one. So first is my first shapes matching activity. So here it's a very easy puzzle for 1 year child, I think. So they have given these 4 shapes with different colors, so it's very easy to identify it and match those with this board. So here they have given shape and you have to stick these shapes using this velcro. Yeah, and also they have given this second book as well, second board as well, where you have to stick by matching with the colors, so with shapes and with the colors. So both way your child can play this. So let's open the second activity. It's about animal mask. So in this animal mask they have given 10 sets over here. So you have to keep this in front of face, and they have given the sounds as well. For example, the monkey says chatter. So one can play as a peekaboo as well. Also it's very easy, easy to play with the parents and child as well. So I think this is also very colorful mask will create the more interest. So yeah, good things. 2-piece puzzle set. So they have given the set of almost 6 to 8 cards, where it's just a 2-piece set, so it's very easy to play with them. So for example, cow, yeah, so it's cow calling moo, and you have to stick those pieces. So I think at initial stage the parents have to play with the children's, and by time being they will able to complete this by themselves. So I think that is also very useful, but at this moment my daughter is not able to play this well. So yeah, that's it. Box is empty. So thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section what are the activities do you like the most. Yeah. So with this, thank you for your time being here. Thank you so much.